Welcome to Khandwala Securities mobile application. So today I'm just going to take you to the tour of the mobile application. So you have to just click on the KSL Easy Trade mobile application icon. Once I click over here, so it will basically take you to the guest login part. So here you'll be able to basically see the price of the scripts, and you can even have the all you can see all the views, all the different features what the Khandwala security is providing to you. So if you want to log in, you just click on this small icon, click on the login, put the ID over here. Just say I'm just putting my IDs right now. You have to confirm the image and you have to put the password. You have to just put the password once, and for the next time, it will only ask for your PIN. So you no need to remember the password every time when you log in. You can see this is a PIN. I'm just entering the PIN right now. Verify the PIN, and you are logged on to the mobile applications. What you can do is you can go to the settings over here where you can do like add and withdraw fund right now. So if you click on the add and withdraw fund, it will automatically take you to the online payment gateway system. You can directly real time basically send the funds during the live market. So and you can even transfer the withdraw the fund as well. So this is real time option of paying and payout has been given into the system. As you see, the mobile application is very intuitive, and here you can see the Nifty and Sensex. What is the current Nifty and Sensex? At what price they are trading right now? Here you have the option of seeing other indices as well. So you can just click over here. You can see the different list of indices. If you want to change instead of Nifty and Sensex, you can even put Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So you can even change the setting over here as well. And one more interesting feature which we are giving is right now is the heat map. So if you want to see the which sector is performing today, so you can see the sector wise performance of the market. So there is a heat map function, it is also available. Going to the normal trading application, you can see the market watch is already available. You can have the predefined market watch, so you can have Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Nifty 50. If you want to create your own market watch, you can click on the button over here, and we have option to basically create a new market watch. So I can just you can press on three buttons, create new market watch. You have to give the name of the market watch, say KSL, and this is my new market watch. I can add the scripts over here. It is very easy. I have to just type the name, suppose say Hindustan Unilever. Yeah, so you can see I just clicked over here, enter, and your script is available for you to trade. So here you can see the script has been added right now. Similarly, I can add as many market watch as much as I can. I want to do it. So I can click on Infi. Here it will give me option to basically do buy, sell. You can even do charting over here. So there is option. You just click on if you want to buy. You can have the option over here. You can see there is an option of limit order, market order, stop loss, and stop loss market. You can select any of the options of ordering. Here we are also giving MIS and CNC order as well, apart from normal order as well. Here is a toggle where you can switch from buy and sell. So there is a toggle button also, it's given over here. It's very simple to use. You just put the quantity over here, and you have to just say place order. It will confirm order. It will ask you to confirm the order. Say confirm order, and the order will be placed with the exchange. So very easy to use mobile application and very fast. You can see the execution speed is very good, and your order has been placed. You can see even the position over here. You can go to the net position day wise and net wise over here. You can see the current position over here as well. So currently, and because it is a demo, so that's why it is not showing currently any position right now. Uh, again going back to the market watch, there is a one more interesting feature which we are giving you is a charting function. You can do a charting on any of the instrument if you want. So I'm just clicking on Infosys. It will take me to the charting tool. You can see the charting tool is also getting loaded now. So here is a chart for Infosys. Here you can see the indicators. You have around 100 plus indicators, and you can place any indicator over here. You can see the indicator has already been placed. You can even do a buy and sell from charting. So here is small two buttons over here. You can click on any buy, red or green. You can say I want to sell Infosys. I can just click on sell button and it will automatically take me to the order management system. So that is also very good feature has been provided by Khandwala Securities. I give you Infosys. There is an option of code. So once you click on the code, here you can get the best buyer and seller. So you can get open, high, low. You can get all the other information on the particular instrument. When is the ex dividend date? When they were given the last bonus issue date. Everything you can get it on a one single page. There is an option of doing a multi ordering as well. So if you are an option trader and if you want to do a multi-leg order, so that is something which is very unique feature which we are giving over here right now. So if right now if you want to say 1360 call you want to buy, right, and also you want to sell the put of the same strike price, that I can do at the same point of time. I can see I have chosen two different options. I can even go further. I can do a 4-leg order right now. So this is like box strategy if you want to do it, and I'm selling the four. I'm putting 4-legged entry, 1360 call. I'm buying 13 and I'm put. I'm selling both the calls. I'm buying and both the puts. I'm selling. I'm clicking on the payoff chart. It will show me what will be my maximum profit and maximum loss. I can place both the orders. I can place order right now, and it will go to the exchange. It will ask me for a transaction password. I have to just put the password over here right now. 234, yes, and it's gone. Also you can see a good amount of news which is coming over here. You can see that yeah, what is the current news on PPCL, on natural gas. So all those news you can see it over here, and there is a filter also given over here for commodities or upcoming IPOs. So all those different information you can get it on this mobile application. So this is a very good feature. You can see you can even basically have the different calculators. You have option calculator, future calculator, and a span calculator. So those who are into dealing with option and future, you can get it over here. You have other information. You have back office link. You can click on back office and you can directly connect to the back office and basically see your ledger and everything. There is one more function where if you have any queries, you can have option to write to us. You can click on write to us. You can basically you can upload the any queries if you want. You can even upload the image. If there is any screenshot which you have taken, it will directly take you to gallery. You can upload the screenshot and you can send it to the Khandwala Security. It will reach us and we will help you to solve the issues. We have an option to call to trade as well. You can click on the call. We have an option of both the numbers we have given. If you want to trade, you can directly call on a trade and you can do a trade manually, or if you want any support, you can get support from KSL. So this is the demo for the Khandwala Securities, and if you have any queries, please write to us. And please, if you find this valuable, share it to your friends and colleagues and family members regarding the mobile application, and kindly subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.